Studio Sessions is a platform that allows for project partners to collaborate and edit documents at the same time, while maintaining a complete record of the changes made. To create a new session, log in and click the session icon. Click the Add button and select New Session. Name the session and add the files that you'll be working with in the session. You can set your options, including basic permissions of the attendees. Restrict attendees by email is checked by default. If left unchecked, anyone with the session ID number could access the session. You can also set an expiration date if needed. Click OK and a 9-digit ID is assigned to the session. It will then load in the Studio panel. The session name and ID number can be found at the top. When your session opens, you are prompted to send out invites to other users. Add the email addresses of your session partners here. Then click OK. Under the Attendees pane, you'll find all of the guests that have joined the session. Add more guests by clicking the invitation icon. Adjust who can access the session by clicking the Attendee Access icon. From here, you can deny access to people already in the session or invite new members. For more in-depth permissions, click on the Session Title drop-down and click Settings. Under Permissions, Attendees is a default group that contains all added users except for the creator of the session. You can add single users for individualized permissions or add them to a group using the group settings, then adding the entire group to the permission list. Click the user or group to bring up the applied permissions. Click on each item to change the permission to allow or deny. Once finished, click Apply. In the Documents section are your uploaded files. You can add more files from the Upload icon or adjust how they are listed. Note that if you don't give permission to upload your files to your guests, they will not see this icon. The Records list is probably the most important section in the panel as it documents every action done by each member in the session in the order the action is done. Click on an entry to jump to that action in the main workspace. When you place a markup, you can alert a member to the markup by right-clicking it and selecting Alert Attendee. Use the chat box to add comments or ask questions in the record list. Click the filter icon to specify which records you want to see at a time. You can also see what an attendee is doing at the time they are doing it by following them. Right-click their name under the Attendees section and click Follow. At any point during a session, you can generate a session report and save it to your computer. This way you will have a record you can append to a file or share with other team members. Click the Summary icon. From here, you can choose what type of report to build and other options. Click OK to generate the report. You will also be able to create a summary report when you finish the session. If you want to close the session but need to come back to it later, click Leave Session. To complete the session, click Finish Session. This will allow you to close out, choose options for saving the files, and cannot be undone. Review will prompt you to save the files and markups as well as generate a report if you choose to do so. Click OK to finish the session.